All right, students, so last week we talked about statements and commands. This week we are going to be talking about questions and exclamations. So what is a question, you might ask? A question is a type of sentence that is asking for information. In this picture, which punctuation mark do you think is used with a question? Is it the exclamation point, the period, or the question mark? Go ahead and have your teacher pause the video and everybody share out their answer. That's right. A question mark would be used at the end of a sentence for a question. All right, so what is an exclamation? An exclamation is a sentence that is expressing surprise, anger, or pain. In this picture over here, which punctuation mark do you think is used at the end of a sentence that is an exclamation? Is it the exclamation point, the period, or the question mark? Go ahead and have your teacher pause the video and everybody share out their answers. That's right. An exclamation point is used at the end of a sentence that's an exclamation. All right, so now you're going to continue through the slides with your teacher, and you guys are going to get a little bit of practice.